Okay, so in example 8, we're going to use the formula. $870 is invested for 2 years and earns compound interest at a rate of 3.5% compounded 6 monthly. We want to find out how much the investment is now worth. Okay, so we've got compounded as our keyword, so we're going to be using A, we're going to be using P, we're going to be using R, leave a gap under that, we're using N, and we might help us if we write T down. Okay, so the amount is the thing we're going to want to know because it says how much it's now worth. Print P is how much was invested, 870 for 2 years at 3.5%. 3.5, we could write that straight away, 0.035 per annum. So just keep that in mind, that's per annum. But it tells us it's compounded 6 monthly. Okay, so 6 monthly says that every 6 months it's compounded. So that's twice a year, 2 times a year. And if it's invested for 2 years, we're going to compound it 2 times a year times 2 years, which gives us 4 compoundings. And looking at the rate, in a whole year, it's this 0.35 or 3.5%. But at each compounding, beg your pardon, it happens twice a year. So that 3.5 gets split up into 2 parts. So if I just divide that by 2, I get 0.0175. Very small number. Okay, so let's write our formula out there. Amount equals principal 1 plus r to the power n. Substitute what we know. We know the principal. We know 1. We know the rate per compounding. And we know that the number of compoundings is 4. Plug it into a calculator. And you should get $932.52 if we round to the nearest cent.